Welcome, music enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the heart of artificial intelligence and its role in the world of music. Picture this: machines composing symphonies, harmonizing melodies that tug at the heartstrings. It may sound like a peek into the future, but it's the reality of today's music industry, where AI is becoming a revolutionary collaborator in the creative process. To shed light on this intriguing intersection of technology and art, we caught up with renowned composer and musician, Dr. Alex Turner. According to Dr. Turner, AI has opened up new avenues in the realm of music composition. Far from replacing human creativity, it's about augmenting it. Generative algorithms analyze vast troves of musical compositions, picking up patterns, styles, and structures to generate original pieces that draw from this deep well of knowledge. Behind the scenes, AI algorithms are like voracious students of music, digesting centuries of musical history, from classical masterpieces to the latest chart toppers. This intensive learning allows them to grasp the essence of different musical genres, whether it's the intricate harmonies of a Mozart composition or the spontaneous beats of an impromptu jazz performance. Now, let's turn our focus to some real-world examples that demonstrate the diverse ways AI is contributing to the musical creation process. One such instance is AIVA, an AI system that composes classical music. In a recent collaboration with the Royal Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra, AIVA produced a captivating symphony that masterfully blended AI-generated melodies with the orchestra's live performance. The result? A harmonious fusion of human expression and artificial intelligence, a testament to the potential for collaboration across dimensions. But the influence of AI in music isn't limited to orchestral compositions. It's making a splash in the realm of popular music as well. Platforms like Ampere Music and JukeDeck leverage generative algorithms to produce royalty-free music, customized to specific moods, genres, or video content. This is a game changer for content creators, offering them a plethora of music options to choose from and democratizing the music creation process. Behind the scenes, AI algorithms devour centuries of musical history, from classical masterpieces to contemporary hits. So, next time you listen to a piece of music, remember, it might just have been composed by an AI. Let's dive into some examples to showcase the diverse ways AI is contributing to musical creation. First up, we have AIVA, an artificial intelligence system that's making waves in the realm of classical music. It recently teamed up with the Royal Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra, composing an enchanting symphony that beautifully marries AI-generated melodies with the orchestra's human touch. It's a testament to the harmonic potential of human and AI collaboration. Now let's shift gears to popular music. Platforms like Ampere Music and JukeDeck are revolutionizing this space with generative algorithms. They produce royalty-free music tailored to specific moods and genres, or even specific video content. This is a game changer for content creators, who can now access a vast array of music at their fingertips. Content creators can now customize soundtracks for their projects, thanks to AI's ability to generate high-quality music on demand. To delve deeper into the technical aspects, we spoke with Dr. Emily Rodriguez, an AI researcher specializing in music composition. Dr. Rodriguez shares an intriguing perspective, saying, "What's fascinating is how AI learns the subtleties of human expression in music. It understands dynamics, emotions, and cultural nuances. It's not just replicating what it's learned, it's creating something new that resonates with human listeners." As we delve into the intricacies of AI's music generation process, we discover that these algorithms are capable of discerning the emotional undertones of music. Picture a machine analyzing the melancholic strains of a piano piece or the upbeat tempo of an electronic track. It's a game of emotional nuances where AI is not just a player, but a creator. This brings us to a fascinating reality. AI algorithms can now discern the emotional undertones of music, creating compositions that evoke specific feelings, a melancholic piano piece or an upbeat electronic track, all generated by the machine's understanding of emotional context. However, as we embrace this wave of creativity, we must confront the challenges and ethical considerations. This brave new world of AI-generated music raises profound questions. Who owns the rights to a melody composed by a machine? Can we truly call these compositions original if they're based on patterns learned from existing music? What happens to human musicians in an industry increasingly dominated by artificial intelligence? These are not easy questions, and as of now, there are no clear-cut answers. The legal landscape has yet to catch up with the rapid advancements in AI technology. Meanwhile, the potential impact on human musicians is an ongoing debate. Some fear job loss and devaluation of human creativity, while others see potential for collaboration and expanded creative possibilities. As we venture further into this new era of music creation, it's essential to navigate these challenges responsibly, ensuring that AI serves to enhance human creativity, not replace it.